Day 5 of Vlogmas.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
I am looking for lipstick. I'm late again, as always. I'm just quickly going to put some lip gloss on. I've got a meeting. Got a meeting today and I'm running late for it. Well, I'm not running late, but if I'm not getting ready and leaving, I'm going to be late for it. I'm quickly going to grab my bag. Got my keys. I could not sleep last night, honestly. I don't know what was wrong with me. I literally fell asleep at like, what time was it? 3:30, I think was the last time I checked. Yeah, it's not great, to be honest. My throat is still killing me. I did feel like this morning I was gonna have a bit of a flu, like more symptoms. But I'm not that bad, like, I don't know, I'm okay. And I'm actually gonna wrap up because I don't want to get ill. I'm gonna do this up as well. We're going to Covent Garden. I think we're going to the Henrietta Hotel, which is absolutely beautiful, and I'm trying to look a little bit festive because I wanted to take some pictures, but I didn't wash my hair yet since the wedding because I don't like to wash my hair every day because it gets really greasy anyway. I gotta go. I just gotta go. Doesn't matter what I look like anymore. Meeting is finished. We had such a lovely meeting actually. It was really nice getting to catch up together and stuff. Now I'm on my way home. I'm going to edit some videos and also I'm going to try to fill in the cupboards that we made yesterday. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do tonight. It's going to have a bit of a chill day. Covent Garden is so pretty this time of year. You guys should definitely go to Covent Garden if you're in town, because they've got so many cute little like picturesque places to go and check out, and it just feels really nice and festive around here actually. I really love Covent Garden anyway, but during this time of year it is so nice. Back home, my hair's looking like a mess. You know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to put a hair mask on because I don't think I'll be able to brush all of this hairspray and stuff out. Well, I'm going to wet it and put a hair mask on and leave it for the rest of the evening. Do it into like a little bun, I think. But I'm back home now and I'm going to do some work now, which is going to be so fun. I'm going to go and wet the ends of my hair now and put a mask on. Which mask shall I use today? Let's go to the bathroom. I think I'm gonna go for the Tresemme Deep Smoothing Mask. I haven't used this one in a while. I'm literally just gonna wet it here. I usually like to do this about once a month, but because it is rattled at the minute, I think I'm gonna do it now. So elegant, right? Then I just squeeze all the hair out, all the water out, not all the hair. We get the biggest chunk ever. With a shake test. Seems like it's gonna be alright. What have you guys been up to today? Leave me some comments down below. I'd love to just talk with you guys down in the comments. So now I'm just gonna sit and do some work. So there's a big mess down there, but I need to get this video edited and put it up. And then once I've done all of that, I've also got a collaborative post going up live tonight, so I need to finish that. The brand have accepted everything, so I'm going to post that later tonight. And yeah, so once I've done all of that, I'm going to clean, put stuff away and enjoy the rest of my day. Me again. Why does it look orange? I've got my new dressing gown on from ASOS. Guys, go and see my haul and get this for yourselves. Honestly, it is the coziest thing ever. I wanted one that is so snuggly and warm and cute. I got food. So this was from the wedding. We spent the entire evening on Thursday wrapping these up. So I took some home. They're like favours, I guess, like a thank you for coming to the wedding kind of thing. It's like a crumbly biscuit thing. I was posting it all over my social media and you guys were so excited about it. Yeah, this is what we wrapped it up with and I can't wait to eat it. It's so good. Very messy though. There's so much icing sugar everywhere. Here guys. It's about 6 o'clock now. Video's up. I've also just posted a collaboration on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please come. This is a picture I just uploaded. It's for Daniel Wellington. Come and follow me if you guys are on Instagram. I'd love to see you guys there as well. I literally am on Instagram 24/7. It's a bit ridiculous. I'm a bit hungry now. I want some dinner. And then after dinner, I am going to start on this. I promise. I promise myself because I can't deal with the mess behind me. I feel like when I put a video up, I can just go like, oh, time to relax. But then I'm like, I got tomorrow's video and I'm still recording, and then the next day and the next day. I don't know how people do this like all year round. I've decided after about an hour and a half of watching YouTube to finally get up and do some work because that's what I need to do. All of this is just all products, honestly, and then I've got more products here. All of these are neatly done, but I need to get these in there. I don't know where to start. It's just too much stuff. It's very, very overwhelming, to be honest, but I guess I just gotta do it. I think I'm gonna start with the biggest box at the bottom because that's all hair products and they are very, very heavy stuff. I need to figure out which drawer is for what. I know I want the heaviest products, so like beauty and hair stuff on the bottom drawers, and then just go from there. And I want to have a clear out of all of these as well. Whew. The plan is to get this into here. I'm gonna clear this out and go through stuff that's not good for my hair and put them back in this box. I think this box is like broken, and then possibly send them to charities and give some to friends and stuff because there is far too much stuff in here and none of these have been used or opened, so they're all brand new, which means that none of the use by dates are gone as well. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight. If I get at least one box done, I'll be happy. Instantly regretting my decision to start this because I don't know what to do. I've put them all in piles, okay? Here we have extra hairbrushes. I absolutely love this brush, by the way. I've got like 2. I've given my mum one as well. These are all conditioners. That is a deep conditioner. That can go in here, this pile, which is all like hair masks and stuff. These are shampoos. These are oils and serums. And these are volume, shine, primers, hairsprays. These are all of the products that I'm going to be keeping, and these are all the ones that I will be giving away. So we've got a good mix of everything in there. I've kept mainly a lot of the hair masks, shampoo, conditioners, and a few hairsprays because that's really all that I use. Next, I'm going to go through my box of fake tan stuff. Yep, I've got a whole box of it, guys. During the summer, sometimes I do go through quite a lot of this. I do like to have a few different tan stuff that I am trying. I'm not someone who tan all year round. I don't know. I just don't think it really suits me. And the tans that I do use all look really, really quite natural. Like whenever I wear it, people ask me if I've been away on holiday and stuff and where I've been. You know, some people, they fake tan every day. That's not me. I'll fake tan maybe the most once a week for like 2 months. if that. And yeah, I'm really cautious because I hate patches and I hate looking orange. I really like the Bondi Sands in the ultra dark. One layer of this on and I just got a beautiful bronzy colour. This tan looks, the clear water. I've also got a Saint Tropez one somewhere. I think it might be in there because that's the last tan I used. It's also like a water type, which I think gives the most natural looking tans. I really like them. This drawer is a lot more successful. Less than half of it was tanning. The rest of it are all body creams, shower gels, hand creams, rubs and stuff. This is the makeup box. I'm kind of doing like a rough go through, so I'm just emptying everything into this. Then I think I'm going to go through it again properly and organise things because I'm not organising it as I go. I'm just kind of putting them in rough piles inside the boxes. Now I'm on to the makeup. So this is the kind of progress that I've made. I've got 3 drawers left to put my beauty stuff in. I just had a little break for dinner. It is 9 o'clock. I reckon I can finish this. Just gotta keep going. Okay, I'm really happy with my progress so far. Don't mind how messy the drawers are. So bottom drawer. This is probably the worst one. This is filled with loads of hair products. Like I said, second drawer is tanning and body scrubs and body creams. And this one is like makeup bits and stuff and extra palettes. Now it's time to do all of the beauty stuff. And that is possibly the hardest one. So here you go. Okay, so I have now emptied 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes into my new cupboard. I just feel like I'm done, to be honest. Like I can't be bothered to do it anymore tonight. There's still a lot I have to do. I've got some packages I have to go through, and yeah, I haven't even started on those. Like look at all of these Christmas things that have come. I think I'm just gonna leave that for tomorrow. Tomorrow I am at home all day. There's no plans. Hopefully we'll be decorating the Christmas tree and I will be finishing up this. But all that's left for me tonight is to have a shower and get this all out of my hair. But I am gonna end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this vlog and if you're enjoying Vlogmas, please make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.